This weekend, we're going camping with Bobby, and we're going to drive a Jeep trail from Apache Lake to Roosevelt Lake and do some kayaking. But first, got to get the kayak on the roof. In my defense, it is a super heavy whitewater boat.
All right, met up with Bobby. We're rolling out. So smooth at speed, oh my gosh, I haven't had it this fast on a dirt road. I'm just so excited that it's so smooth. I mean, this road's pretty smooth as well. Jinxed it, as always. I've done that before. First dirt road, it feels really smooth actually. Might have jinxed it. Deja vu. What do you think? She's not happy. I am literally just full time, like pretty much slammed on the brakes going down this hill right now. Roosevelt Lake. Upper Burnt Corral. Beautiful camp spot though. This spot looks sweet.
Done that a little more gracefully.
There we are. Right there.
Long enough, really solid. I think I found a good stick. What do you think, Coda? What do you think? Oh, that's a funny way to get it.
Whoa.
Yeah, good girl.
Coda dog, you rock.
Coda. She's like, I can swim there, so I'm doing it.
So I'm gonna go do it. Awesome. You are a crazy dog.
What a great day chasing boats with drones, paddling our kayaks around the lake, and getting attacked by Coda while we swim.
Come here, come here, come here, come here.
And we all know the most important thing after a big day is a good night's rest. Plus, we got a big day of off-roading tomorrow. Woohoo! This trail will take us from Apache Lake all the way to Roosevelt Lake, on dirt. We just have to make it up and over some pretty steep mountains. Here we go.
Compared to the last few years, it's pretty good.
Roosevelt Lake. Cool. Alright, well, we're heading out from Apache Lake, beat up, tired, and just stoked on a really great weekend at the lake. Thanks to Bobby for always showing me a good time and a good camp spot, and good off-roading. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't yet, subscribe, check it all out. Just check out the channel, see what we're all about here at Dodgemahal. Alright, see you on the next one.
For bobbing so hard, a patch fell off.